Hi, this is Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video we're going to show you how we use leftover wood from our wood countertop to make these fantastic wood shelves for our bathroom.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like...
Just lightly sanded them. And now we're going to stain everything with the natural stain color.
Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
So we're going to use the same varnish that we used on our wooden countertop in our bathroom. So it's an oil-based interior, it's a satin finish. We want a uniform mixture without any air bubbles in it. So you just lightly stir it. I found using a foam brush works better than a bristled brush, but it's just preference. So again, we're going to do 2 coats. They say to use lighter coats. The manufacturer of this varnish says as long as you, I think it's 24 hours, as long as you recoat the second coat within 24 hours, you don't need to sand. If you go past 24 hours, you would sand. Back in the old days, we would always varnish 1 coat, then very, very lightly sand with like a 220 sandpaper. So I may do that. I'm just going to see how they look after the first coat. Okay, I think we're good. I'm going to finish my strokes all the same way. Alright, so we're good there. This is a birch butcher block wood. Just kind of pushing the sponge into the edge to get it in without it dripping. I don't want too much varnish on. I don't want it to drip to the underside. Go around everything. We're going to use 2 shells instead of 3, we decided now.
I would launch 1,000 ships.
I have a stud here and in the corner, so I think we're going to have to go with this style. This shelf is about 6 pounds and this set is supposed to hold 30 pounds. If this is adhering to the wall with adhesive back here, this is hitting that wall, this won't be able to teeter. I think this will be okay.
Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. If I lived 1,000 lives, I'd spend them all with you beside. Never-ending deja vu. Never-ending days with you. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Oh, life is wonderful.
Where the counter meets the wall, I use silicone caulk to attach the butcher block trim. We love how these wooden shelves tie in with the countertop, are functional, and pop against these white walls, giving it an open and spacious vibe to our bathroom. This wood shelves DIY cost no money because we were able to use leftover materials from our butcher block countertop DIY. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Silver Lining Daydreams if you haven't yet, and thanks for watching.
Testicles!
Yeah, you're right. They were different.
Testicles!
This is his home. He lives in the trees. Remember, see how he looks like
Around Gray.
What's going on top of your helmet? He's on your spikes.
He thinks it's a brand.
He's really big. We should put him on the tree.